This is AQA A-Level Chemistry. It's a multiple choice question on the topic of periodicity. So pause, have a go, and then review. And what we're looking for here is elements shown in increasing order of the stated property. Well, if we take a look at atomic radius, what you can actually see here is that if you go from phosphorus, sulfur to chlorine, you're going left to right over the table, and atomic radius decreases across a period, and that's because we've got an increased nuclear charge and no increase in shielding. If we then look at first ionization energy, well, we know that the general trend is that it increases, actually for the same reason as atomic radius decreases, because there's an increase in nuclear charge and no increase in shielding. However, there are exceptions, and one of those is magnesium to aluminium, where there is a dip because aluminium's outer electron is being removed from a higher energy 2p orbital. If we then move down to electronegativity below, what you can actually see here is that this is going right to left on the table. So silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. Now the trend in electronegativity is it does increase from left to right. Once again for the same reason, because of an increased nuclear charge and no increase in shielding. But if we then take a look at melting point, what you've got to remember here is how these elements exist. Argon is monoatomic, chlorine is diatomic, and sulfur is in the form S8. And what has to be overcome when we melt these is van der Waals forces. Van der Waals forces are bigger for bigger molecules, and so we can see that sulfur is the highest, then chlorine, and then argon. So the correct answer is D.